Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked. This question is under catalyst. We are going to discuss extensively on what? On catalyst. And the question goes: the catalyst used in the contact process is what? A catalyst used in the contact process is what? What do you understand by a catalyst? A catalyst is a substance that speed up or slow down the rate of chemical reaction without being changed at the end of the reaction. A substance that speed up or slow down the rate of chemical reaction without being used up at the end of the reaction is called what? A catalyst. Now, when this catalyst is organic, you call it enzymes. Do you understand? When this catalyst is organic, it means that when it's coming from a living thing, it becomes what? It becomes an enzyme. So, but in a nutshell, in industrial processes, a catalyst is always used. Okay. Now we have a range of options here. Now we have two major types of catalysts. Like I just say in the definition, that a catalyst either speed up or what? Slow down. The one that speed up is called a promoter. A catalyst that speed up the rate of chemical reaction is called what? A promoter, or you call it a positive catalyst. That is the two types of catalyst. We have promoter. So we have two major types of catalyst. We have promoter, call it positive catalyst, or inhibitor, call it what? A negative catalyst. Are you following? A catalyst that speed up the rate of chemical reaction is called what? A promoter. A catalyst that slows down the rate of chemical reaction is called what? An inhibitor. Now, depending on the reaction phase, a catalyst can be homogeneous, it can be heterogeneous. Homogeneous is when both the reactant and the product are in the same phase. It is either liquid or gas. The reactant is gas, the product are gases. All right. Or if the reaction is in different phase, a reactant can be gas, a product can be what? Can be liquid. That type of catalyst is what? Is a heterogeneous catalyst. All right. Now, in industrial processes, going back to our question, to our answers now, we now have iron. Iron is a catalyst. Finely divided iron is a catalyst used in Haber process. Haber process is the production of what? Ammonia. Haber process. This one is called Haber process. Haber process is a catalyst used is what? Finely divided iron. Nickel. Nickel, the process used is hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means production of what? Of hydrogenation of vegetable oil. That is a process called margarine. It's used in the production of margarine. And the process is called hydrogenation. And what they produce is what? Margarine. Margarine oil. All right. Now look at platinum. Platinum and rhodium. The process is used in the production of nitric acid. All right. That is triazonitrified acid, and that process is called Oswald. When you hear of Oswald process is a process used in the production of nitric acid. Nitric acid. So platinum rhodium gas, is a catalyst used in the production of nitric acid. That is triazonitrified acid. Now let's go to vanadium 5 oxide. Vanadium 5 oxide is used in contact process. Contact process is what? This is a process. Contact process is a process used in the manufacturing of sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is used in a catalyst used is what? Vanadium 5 oxide. So vanadium 5 oxide is a catalyst used in contact process, that is the manufacturing of what? Sulfuric acid. Okay, we have different kinds of catalysts used. We have the one of esterification. Esterification, the catalyst used is concentrated tetraoxosulfuric acid. Okay, we have the one that is used in the production of methanol, the one that is used in production of oxygen gas, that is manganese 4 oxide. So different catalysts are used industrially. It is either used to slow down the rate of chemical reaction or speed up the rate of chemical reaction. So our answer is what? Vanadium 5 oxide is used in contact process in the manufacturing of what? Of sulfuric acid. For more of this video, do well to like, importantly share and comment. Thank you and God bless you.